So how serious is this proposal of a windfall tax on energy profits?
Well, the president has seriously asked for the oil and gas industry to either return profits to consumers or put those profits to work in increasing production. They are, as you have noted, I mean, story after story about companies making huge, historic profits. And so we're in a war, and this is an extraordinary time. And the industry has said to the president, we want to be able to do this ourselves. We want market solutions. And so the president is simply saying that before we go to Congress, we're asking you, as citizens of this country, as companies doing business here, who have customers here, whose names are all over gas stations here, to consider your consumer at a moment when you have seen an historic gap between wholesale and retail, between the gasoline and refinery. And we want to be able to relieve people's pain at the pump.
I guess what I'm wondering, though, is the windfall tax the way to do that? Haven't we seen evidence in Europe and in this country back in the 80s that actually discourages companies from investing in production and just makes the shortages worse and the prices higher?
Well, number one, again, the president's preference is that the companies take this on without having to have Congress intervene. But number two, it is true that our European colleagues, many of whom have, at least part of the G7, have adopted windfall profits tax. In the earlier in this country's history, in the past couple decades, it was tried here was an excise tax. A windfall profits tax obviously would be crafted to encourage production and if it were to happen. But obviously the president would work with Congress on what the shape of that is. But the point is, we need at this moment, when there is historic profits being made, to be able to provide some relief to those who are at the pump and or increase more in production, which we have not seen to the extent that certainly those profits would belie.
Well, a lot of them would say that the Biden administration hasn't exactly been helpful when it comes to permits and leases. I don't know if you saw Secretary.
It's baloney. I mean, in the first 20 months.
And over again.
You hear it from them, but look at the facts. There was an analysis that was just out yesterday. In the first 20 months of this administration, between the day he was sworn in and the end of September, this administration has issued 74% more well permits than the previous administration. This administration has been issuing permits. They just announced 307 permits in the Gulf of Mexico. The president signed in the Inflation Reduction Act more permits. That is not the issue. 90% of production, as you know, happens on private land anyway. But this president has not been restricting access to production. It has been the industry that has decided to listen to Wall Street rather than to Main Street. And what this president is saying is, at this time of war, at this time when you are making enormous profits, please, can you increase production and or reduce the price at the pump for people so that you are listening to your customers?